timetable for your studies. Having a timetable for studies is crucial for students as it serves as a structured framework that enhances productivity, time management, and overall academic success. A timetable provides a clear roadmap, helping students allocate specific time slots for each subject or task. This not only ensures that all subjects receive adequate attention but also helps in avoiding last-minute cramming and the associated stress. When it comes to the academic success of students, learning time management is a must. Proper management of time helps students to improve how they study. A study timetable is an inexpensive tool that comes handy as it helps you get control over your study time. It gives you a perspective of what tasks you need to accomplish on time. If you want to become organized, feel motivated and encouraged to get your work done to the best of your potential, try to make a perfect timetable for students. Never follow any other's schedule as all people have different things to do. It is a well-known fact that everybody in this world is born different with different body structures, grasping or catching power, different creative minds and of course different learning styles. So, first of all, it becomes necessary to find out which learning style suits you the best. Consistent study habits established through a timetable also contribute to the development of discipline and self-control, qualities that are essential for long-term success. Timetable aids in goal setting and tracking progress. Breaking down study sessions into manageable blocks allows students to set realistic targets and monitor their achievements. This, in turn, boosts motivation and confidence, creating a positive feedback loop for continuous improvement. Here are some key reasons why students should have a timetable for their studies.
1. Time management. A well-structured timetable provides a clear overview of your daily, weekly, or monthly study commitments, helping you allocate specific time slots for each subject or task. A timetable helps students allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic. This aids in effective time management, ensuring that students dedicate sufficient time to each subject without neglecting any. This organized approach helps in prioritizing your workload, ensuring that you cover all necessary topics without feeling overwhelmed. 2. Consistency. Following a timetable promotes consistency in study habits. Regular and consistent study sessions are more effective than sporadic, intense cramming. Consistency helps in better retention of information and understanding of concepts. It's really important to be consistent on your study timetable. When you're consistent on your timetable, it makes you to follow your timetable regularly. This consistency enhances focus and concentration during dedicated study periods, leading to increased productivity. Moreover, a timetable aids in the identification of available time gaps, allowing you to plan ahead and avoid last-minute cramming during exams. 3. Formulation of good habits. Scheduling a timetable will ensure all your activities are listed and thereby ensure time management along with discipline. This also leads to a better focus as students are concentrating on one task without worrying about others. When it comes to study or follow timetable, it helps students to build good habits such as discipline, time management, and focus on study, more punctual, efficient and effective. 4. Assist students in prioritizing your tasks. When making a schedule, prioritize the things that must be completed right away. Getting your assignments done, for example, comes before a study session or study group. If you manage your time wisely, you can set aside time to focus on your projects before going to a study group. This means you'll be able to complete key tasks on time because you'll be able to plan and schedule time for them. 5. It helps to relieve stress. It's very important to have peace of mind to study. When you have a lengthy list of things to do and not enough time to complete them, you might rapidly become agitated. You can prioritize tasks and tackle them first with good time management. You'll know exactly what you need to do and how much time you have to finish each assignment this way. Because you have ample time to complete everything, you will feel peaceful and calm. In conclusion, the use of a well-organized timetable for studies is an indispensable tool in the pursuit of academic success. In essence, a well-structured timetable is an invaluable companion on the educational journey, guiding students toward a path of focused learning, productivity, and ultimately, success. Hope you understand this video. Thank you so much for watching.